Hey everyone, welcome to Nayna's Prepping Kitchen. Right here we've got a solar panel kit that we ordered off of Amazon here a couple months back, and we are going to get these bad boys installed on top of our fifth wheel. As many of you have heard, we are going to be facing rolling blackouts here in the state of Michigan. Well, that's what they are predicting anyway. So we went ahead and purchased us a couple 100-watt solar panels. A lot of you want to know, what can you run off of 200 watts of solar? And you can power your laptop, your LED lights, your energy efficient mini fridge, a 32-inch LED TV, an exhaust fan. There are actually a lot of items that you can power off of 200 watts of solar. An RV fridge averages 50 to 60 watts and consumes 2.5 amps per hour. So 200 watts can power an RV fridge for 24 hours, according to what I've read. Now, me and the hubs are new to solar, so absolutely do not take anything that we say in hooking them up. We've been doing our own research, and I suggest you do too. So we actually had to go on YouTube to figure out how to even hook these things up. But I do think it will be a good investment to have some extra solar, or to have solar, not extra, but to have maybe extra power. We do have a 4,500 watt generator, which we would be using at night, providing we can keep gas in it at $5.19 a gallon right now. But this is what our plans are, is to get these put on the roof, so we will have something in case of a blackout this summer. So some of the clips will be photograph pics, and other will be video. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll take you along on our journey. I had to actually put duct tape on the bottom of the box because when it came, the box was actually open, which I wasn't too happy about, but the solar panels seem to be fine. So wish us luck, guys. I hope we get it done right, and we will have the power that we are looking for. As you can see, we have the solar panels up on the roof of the RV. My husband got them mounted to the roof and used all his skills of hooking up the wires where they need to be hooked up. That definitely is not my department, so he is going through walls and got them hooked up to the batteries in the back and through the side of the RV. Ran the red and the black wire in a closet in the bathroom of the RV. We got that part done.
Yeah. Shows I got 13.4 volts.
Right on.
And so now we're going to hook ground from the panels is showing
Yeah.
that I've got 14.5 volts.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
Coming from the panels, going to the battery.
Okay. I'll zoom in and get that on my camera. Kind of hard to tell, but all right. I think we're getting it. If we can do it, you can do it.
Want the battery charger for the fifth wheel to run while the solar panels were running. So I disconnected the line to the charger part of the fuse box. And then from there, we went over to the other side of the trailer. And this box is the line from the house electrical in. I disconnected the line that goes to the fuse box, the main line. I disconnected it. I put a heavy duty cord on it and hooked my semi truck inverter up
1500 watts
to 1500 watts. And as you can see, we're using 20 watts with a TV and a fan, I think, going in there right now. And I'm still at 13.7 volts. The solar panels are holding right now and keeping it where it's at. So we're going to let it run for a little while and see how long we can depend on it.
Right now I have the little, I believe, 20-inch TV running. Doing fine there. I do have a hotspot, and it is connecting to actually the inside of our house right now for the internet. But if we did not have that, I do have a hotspot. Right here, I have the radio playing. I'm not going to let it go very long because I don't want a song to come on. Right there, the fan. The fan is going. Yep. I don't know if it'll blow that or not. Probably not. But, running the fan. I unplugged it. Good channel. Go check it out. Give her a like and subscribe.